Hello, welcome back to Monarch Green. We're not going to be talking about anything that you're not already aware of here today. We all know that water and fuel contamination damages costly components. It comes from a variety of sources, as we know, including deck washdown, seepage, water migration, condensation, and more. And petroleum-contaminated water poses a serious environmental threat by leaking into the ground. Government agencies are all over this issue now. Stiff fines are only a part of the problem. Corrosion causes costly damage in sumps, under-dispenser containers, UDCs, interstitial spaces, and more. Water in combination with fuel, the ethanol phase separation issue, is an even bigger problem. It results in rapid, extensive corrosion. It's a costly nightmare until now. We currently produce a specialized proprietary sock for our customers who inspect, service, and certify large service station operations. Now, while our special sock is a phenomenal product with a high capacity and fast action and rave reviews, we are constantly striving to improve, and man have we ever. We're happy to introduce the amazing Water Hog. It's so special, we have US and international patents in process. Water Hog features extremely fast action, very low cost, drastically reduced freight costs due to super light weight, easy to use, it's safe to handle, and no other tools or equipment are needed. Water Hog comes in several different sizes. This is our longer model right here. We also have it in a shorter model right here, depending on how much you need to pick up. Let's see it in action. Water Hog consists of several different components. The outer shell and this white leash both only pick up hydrocarbons. The inside only picks up water, so they don't compete with each other, they complement each other. It has totally absorbed the water in just minutes. Really magnificent product. And here's another huge money-saving bonus. Now, if it has only picked up water, no petroleum products, it's ready for the dumpster. And you can just do that, no questions, it's done. If you want to save money on transporting to the disposal site, then what you can do is let it dry out. If you want to expedite it even more, you can simply cut Water Hog open. And when you do, you just squeeze out the gel. And if you let it dry out, you're saving over 8 pounds per gallon of water that you're not having to ship. You could supercharge the dry out process even more by sprinkling plain old table salt on the gel. In minutes, it reduces to a watery liquid. Now, if Water Hog has picked up petroleum products, you do the same process. You let it dry out. Then all you have left is a couple of ounces, and it goes in their hazmat container. But now you're still shipping very little weight, a couple of ounces and you're done. So we're gonna go in the spill bucket wizard here. You can see that spill bucket has water down in the bottom of it. We're gonna put a spill bucket wizard down in there and you're gonna see the performance of it. And as you can see, it already started to pick up stuff on the very bottom, but now it's gonna really go to work. And as you can see, it fits terrifically right around the collar and right around the perimeter outside wall of the bucket. Doesn't hang up on anything, doesn't hang up on the Morrison cap. All right, and now, the job's done. Bring that guy out, full of water, full of rust. Now look down, you can see the bottom. Look at that, no problem. That's a dry bottom. Done, matter of minutes. We're very excited to share with you another new product we've come out with. It's called our Station Kit. Now this is a kit that's comprised of 10 of our Water Hog wizards, and you know about these. These go down in the spill bucket, so they're a spill bucket wizard. They around the circumference of the spill bucket, and then they stay away from the collar and the Morrison cap, so you can get them out after they've done their absorption. 10 petroleum-only water repellent mats that are 15 by 18 inches, and they also tear. So you can use a half of one at a time if you chose to. 20 of our 2-foot Water Hogs, all in the kit, and 10 of our 4-foot Water Hogs. Those all come in a box this size. And so it's easy to store, it's easy to ship, and we hope you'll like this. This is really an exciting product. A number of our customers have already indicated that they really think this is a great way to have hanging out in the station. Now, some people have told me that interstitial is not a big deal where they are. But people dealing with these steel double-walled tanks, many of them have said, whoa, that's really big stuff. Because right now they're having a pumper truck come out, big dollars, starts at their shop, they have to drive it out, they got to put the hose down, they got to suck the stuff out, which may be a cup or 2 or 3, who knows, and then they got to drive it back. And they get charged for the entire round trip. That's hundreds of dollars by even some of you reps who have said so to me. We have a new product. Instead of hundreds of dollars, and I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this to you now. This is a mock-up of the prototype. The interstitial pipe riser is 2 inches in inside diameter. You go right down there to the bottom and you suck up the water. And then when you bring that guy back up, if you have need to do more, you pull this out and we provide the refills. And these are not expensive at all. So what we've done is, number one, we cut it on a bias. And we cut it on a bias so when it bottoms out in the bottom of the riser, it isn't gonna close off the access to the water. And you just take that guy, you put him right down the riser, just like that. And down it goes, all the way down, until it has reached the bottom. And when it's reached the bottom of the tank, which we're doing right now, you'll see that you're gonna be sucking up that water. And then, very simply, you just bring it back up out of the riser. And when you bring it back up out of the riser, again, it's really simple. All you do, pull the actual production model, that's what this is, that has a snap hook, take it off, and you can put another one on if you need to. This device has been developed in conjunction with a very well-known consultant to the industry. He has 29 years of running the Environmental Protection Department for a major state. He is now a consultant. He is head over heels about this product.
Now, I'll bet you agree with me that it just can't get any simpler than that. You can see all the details at mywaterhog.com. That's mywaterhog.com, or call us for all the details. Thank you very much for watching.